So, you want to travel the world, but your wallet just screamed in fear. Let's fix that. We've all been there, right? Staring at Instagram photos of turquoise waters and ancient ruins, wondering how everyone else seems to afford it. Well, guess what? You don't need to be a millionaire to be a world traveler, you just need a plan. Follow these instructions. First things first, let's talk location. The place you choose to visit can make or break your travel budget. It's not just about the airfare or the hotel costs, it's about the day-to-day expenses that can add up quickly. From meals to transportation and even the cost of a simple cup of coffee, every little thing counts. Your destination is the single biggest factor in how much you'll spend. Some places are naturally more expensive than others, and it's crucial to do your research beforehand. For instance, a city like Tokyo or Paris might be on your bucket list, but they come with a hefty price tag. On the other hand, cities in Southeast Asia or Eastern Europe can offer similar experiences at a fraction of the cost. Think of it like this. A beer in Southeast Asia might cost you $1, but that same beer in Western Europe could easily set you back $10. And it's not just beer. This price disparity extends to almost everything, from meals to accommodations to local attractions. And that adds up fast. Imagine spending a month in a high-cost destination versus a budget-friendly one. The difference could be thousands of dollars. It's essential to consider these factors when planning your trip to ensure you get the most bang for your buck. We're talking about making your travel dreams a reality, not about being miserable eating instant ramen for every meal. So, let's get real. You want to enjoy your trip, savor the local cuisine, and experience the culture without constantly worrying about your wallet. Southeast Asia, Eastern Europe, South America, these places are budget travel gold. They offer a rich tapestry of experiences, from stunning landscapes to vibrant cityscapes and bustling street markets. Think vibrant cultures, incredible food, and experiences you won't find anywhere else, all without breaking the bank. Whether it's savoring street food in Bangkok, exploring historic sites in Prague, or dancing to the rhythms of a local festival in Rio, these destinations provide unforgettable memories at a fraction of the cost of more expensive locales. So, when planning your next adventure, consider these budget-friendly destinations. They offer not just savings, but a wealth of experiences that will enrich your journey and leave you with stories to tell for a lifetime. Alright, time to ditch the fear of spreadsheets. I know, the mere mention of spreadsheets can make some of us break out in a cold sweat. But trust me, they're not as scary as they seem. In fact, they can be your best friend when it comes to planning an epic adventure. Imagine having all your expenses laid out in front of you, knowing exactly where your money is going, and being able to tweak things here and there to make sure you're getting the most out of your trip. Sounds pretty good, right? And embrace the power of planning. Planning isn't just about making sure you don't miss out on the must-see sites or the best local eats. It's about giving yourself the freedom to enjoy your trip without constantly worrying about money. When you have a solid plan in place, you can relax and truly immerse yourself in the experience. You can take that spontaneous detour to a hidden gem, or splurge on a once-in-a-lifetime experience without the nagging fear of overspending. A realistic travel budget is your secret weapon against coming home to a mountain of debt. It's like having a roadmap for your finances. You wouldn't set off on a road trip without a map or GPS, right? The same goes for your travel budget. It helps you navigate the financial landscape of your trip, ensuring you stay on track and avoid any nasty surprises. Plus, it gives you peace of mind, knowing that you've got everything under control. Think of it like this. You wouldn't jump out of a plane without a parachute, right? Your budget is your parachute for the wild ride of travel. It's there to catch you if things don't go exactly as planned. Maybe you encounter an unexpected expense or decide to extend your trip by a few days. With a budget in place, you've got a safety net to fall back on. It's all about being prepared and giving yourself the freedom to enjoy the journey. Your budget is your parachute for the wild ride of travel. It's not about restricting yourself or cutting out all the fun. It's about making sure you can have the best possible experience without the stress of financial worries. Think of it as a tool that helps you make the most of your adventure. You can still have those amazing experiences, but with the added peace of mind that you're not going to break the bank. First, we break it down. Let's start with the basics. You need to know where your money is going, so let's break it down into categories. This will help you see the bigger picture and make sure you're covering all your bases. It's like putting together a puzzle. Once you have all the pieces in place, you can see the whole picture. Transportation, flights, trains, buses, gotta get around, right? This is often one of the biggest expenses, so it's important to plan ahead. Look for deals, consider alternative modes of transport, and don't forget to factor in things like airport transfers and local transportation. Every little bit adds up, and being prepared can save you a lot of money in the long run. Lodging hostels, guest houses, maybe even the occasional splurge on a unique Airbnb. Where you stay can make a big difference in your overall experience. Do your research, read reviews, and don't be afraid to mix it up. Sometimes a budget-friendly hostel can offer a more authentic experience than a pricey hotel. And if you do decide to splurge, make sure it's worth it and fits within your budget. Street food, local markets, cooking your own meals. Trust me, it's part of the adventure. Eating like a local can save you money and give you a taste of the culture. Don't be afraid to try new things and step out of your comfort zone. And if you're staying somewhere with a kitchen, take advantage of it. Cooking your own meals can be a fun and cost-effective way to enjoy local ingredients. Activities, free walking tours, museum hopping on discount days, hiking, some of the best things in life are free. There are so many amazing experiences that don't cost a dime. Do some research and find out what's available in your destination. Free walking tours are a great way to get to know a new city, and many museums offer discount days or even free entry. And don't forget about the great outdoors. Hiking, swimming, and exploring nature are all fantastic ways to enjoy your trip without spending a lot of money. And don't forget travel insurance. It might seem like an unnecessary expense, but trust me, it's worth every penny. Travel insurance can cover you in case of emergencies, cancellations, or unexpected events. It's like having a safety net that gives you peace of mind and allows you to focus on enjoying your trip. Trust me, it's worth every penny. You never know what might happen, and having travel insurance can save you a lot of stress and money in the long run. It's all about being prepared and making sure you're covered so you can relax and enjoy your adventure to the fullest. Chapter 3. Operation Moneymaker Pre-Trip Savings Hacks. With your destination locked and your budget planned, it's time to make that money work for you. The excitement of planning a trip can sometimes overshadow the practical steps needed to make it happen. But don't worry, we've got you covered with some savvy savings hacks that will get you on that plane, train, or automobile in no time. This is where things get fun. Imagine the thrill of watching your travel fund grow, knowing each dollar saved brings you closer to your dream adventure. It's not just about cutting costs, it's about making smart choices that enhance your travel experience. Remember all those streaming services you're subscribed to but barely use? They might seem like small expenses, but they add up quickly. By canceling just a few, you could save a significant amount each month. Think of it as trading a few hours of TV for a lifetime of memories. Yeah, time to say see you later and redirect that cash to your travel fund. Next up, side hustles. We're talking freelance gigs, selling stuff online, walking dogs. The possibilities are endless. Whether it's a weekend gig or a few hours in the evening, every bit helps. Plus, these side hustles can be a fun way to meet new people and learn new skills. Whatever it takes to boost that bank account. Think of it as a game where the prize is your dream vacation. Each dollar earned is a step closer to your goal. And the best part? You'll appreciate your trip even more knowing the effort you put into making it happen. And don't even get me started on the magic of secondhand gear. Thrift stores, consignment shops, and online marketplaces are treasure troves for budget travelers. You can find high-quality items at a fraction of the cost, and sometimes you might even score brand new gear with tags still on. Backpacks, hiking boots, even cameras, the list goes on. Not only do you save money, but you also contribute to a more sustainable way of traveling. It's a win-win situation. You can find amazing deals online or at consignment shops. Take your time to hunt for the best bargains. The thrill of the hunt can be just as exciting as the trip itself. Plus, you'll have great stories to tell about how you scored that perfect travel gear for a steal. Another fantastic way to save is by using Travel Rewards credit cards. These cards offer points or miles for every dollar spent, which can be redeemed for flights, hotels, and more. Just make sure to pay off your balance each month to avoid interest charges. And let's not forget about food. Eating out can be one of the biggest expenses while traveling. Start by cooking more at home and meal prepping. Not only will you save money, but you'll also eat healthier. When you do eat out, look for local spots that offer great food at lower prices. Lastly, consider your transportation options. Public transportation, biking, or even walking can save you a lot compared to renting a car or taking taxis. Plus, it's a great way to see more of the place you're visiting and experience it like a local. By implementing these pre-trip savings hacks, you'll not only make your dream trip a reality, but also enjoy it more knowing you did it smartly and sustainably. So start planning, start saving, and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime. Chapter 4. The Art of the Deal. Smart spending on the road. Alright, you've made it to your dream destination. Now let's keep that budget in check while still having an epic adventure. Local markets are your new best friend. Fresh produce, delicious snacks, unique souvenirs, all for a fraction of the price of tourist traps. And speaking of tourist traps, let's talk about food. Street food, my friends, is where it's at. It's authentic, it's affordable, and it's an experience in itself. Plus, you'll get to rub shoulders with locals and maybe even learn a few new words in their language. Chapter 5. Stuff happens. Emergency funds and staying sane. Okay, let's get real for a second. Even the best laid plans can go sideways. That's why having an emergency fund is non-negotiable. Think of it like your safety net, there to catch you if, or when, something unexpected happens. A missed flight, a sudden illness, lost luggage, these things can throw a wrench in your budget faster than you can say, travel insurance. Speaking of travel insurance, if you haven't gotten it yet, seriously, what are you waiting for? It's like a superpower for your wallet, protecting you from the financial fallout of unexpected events. Outrow, your adventure awaits. Look, I get it. Planning a trip can feel overwhelming, especially when you're on a budget. But trust me, the rewards are so worth it. With the right plan, your adventure doesn't need to bankrupt you. Your journey starts with a spreadsheet and ends with unforgettable memories. So pack your bags, grab your passport, and get ready to explore the world. Adventure awaits.